In this video, I'm going to free motion quilt a plain wreath, and then in a future video, I'll show you how I added this applique. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the whole wreath first, and then bring in the fabric to do the applique on some of the plumes, just to dress it up a little bit. So I love how this machine, when I have it set up for free motion, it does a one stitch stop, just like an embroidery machine. So I can easily just pull up that bobbin thread. That height looks pretty good. I'm going to take it down 1/10 of a millimeter. So this is not your traditional, every plume looks the same. I'm just a freehanding here. Trying very hard to avoid the shape of feathers that makes it look like a bowel diagram. Nobody wants that on their quilts. There we go. Gotta at least see my line here. But I love to do my feathers in a way that I am not backtracking in between the plumes. Especially if I want to go fast, and when I'm doing free motion on these videos, you know, it gets boring if I'm too slow, so gotta save some time. That doesn't mean I don't ever backtrack, but that's just what I'm doing now. Now you want to be careful if you are going directly backwards, and as you make things like feather plumes or grids, it can be really common to be going directly backwards. I mean, let's face it, you do one circle and at some point you are going to be going backward at least 2 or 3 stitches. And sometimes our machines do not like that because the thread comes out of the needle from the back and you're pulling your quilt towards yourself, and it can cause the needle to stab that working thread, which is going to keep stitches from forming properly. So there's our outside. I'm going to speed up a lot of this quilting here for a bit. I've lost view of my circle again. There it is. All right, I'm getting close to my beginning, and I want to trim that up. Where are my scissors? There they are. So I want to try to just blend my beginning into my ending. If you have any questions for me, feel free to post them here. in the comments. It just might take me a minute or two before I notice them. All right, so there we've gone all the way around. I won't say this is a perfect join, but it's not too bad. And the inside takes a lot less time to do than the outside. And I should have left myself a little bit more space. All right, we gotta have one little sad plume. There's just too much room to put one in there. Keep an eye out for the next video in this series, where I'll show you how to use free motion quilting to add casual applique to this piece. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you'll join me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.